Hello. Congratulations for your selection in the bank. Please introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm Subhashani. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I have completed my graduation in BSc Honors Horticulture from Adiparashakti Horticulture College in Vellore, sir. And this is my first attempt, sir.
Okay. As you have qualified in first attempt, which bank you got?
Union Bank of India.
Okay. Bank is also so good. You got Union Bank of India. Now, how you are feeling after the selection?
Very happy, very happy.
Okay. Okay. We will start the preparation strategy. Tell me how the new student. Tell me according to the new student, you have qualified this in the first attempt, so you know how to qualify, how to read, how you have done the preparation of the pre. Tell us everything about pre.
Sir, for prelims, I went to institute for my preparation, sir. I went to institute nearby my house for my preparation, sir. Only in September, I joined the institute, sir. So I fully focused on clearing the prelims exam. I also wrote SBA clerk exam, sir. So if we crack one prelims exam, that confidence will gain that confidence to get and prepare for the other exams, sir. So I prepared for prelims by going to the institute, sir. Only for 3 months I prepared. I prepared quants, reasoning, and English separately, sir. For English, I did only tests, sir. Only by test and correcting test correction, it gave me good marks, sir.
Okay. Those students who have started their preparation, what you will give tip for them for preparing the pre-examination mainly?
So for prelims, mainly we have to practice because quants and reasoning, we have to reasoning. Everyone will do good. So reasoning and everyone will do good. Quants and English alone, we have to mainly concentrate. For quants, we have to practice more, sir. More number of things, and we have to sort what comes and what not comes. We have to sort those things and mainly concentrate on those things, and then it will help us to crack, sir.
Okay, as this is the common question what all the students used to ask, how much month is required for preparation of pre?
3 months is enough, sir.
3 months is enough for the preparation of pre. Okay,
For a fresher, 3 months is enough.
okay. As you qualified in the first attempt, how much hour you used to study for the pre?
Sir, I don't allocate hours for something, sir, but I stick on to some topics. I have to complete these topics today. I will stick on to that topic and I'll have that practice. I don't completely rely on a number of hours, sir. I
Okay,
have not studied till 12 and I have not wake up at 4, sir. I am not an early bird and I am not a late sleeper. So I used to plan that.
okay. According to the topic, you used to decide how much I have to study. Okay. Now come to the mains. In IBPS AFO, mains is everything. Means that much mark you are getting in the mains, the selection ratio will increase. Means the chances of getting selected is increased. There are 15 subjects, that much subject to read. If you will see our modules also, that much module. How you will cover everything in this 1 year gap time period?
Sir, first of all, we have to limit our resources, sir. Don't go by so many resources. Limit resources. Sir, seriously, I started my preparation for mains also from September only, sir. I
Okay.
started in September only. For mains also, I prepared only for 3 months. But
Okay.
we have to limit all the resources, sir. We have to stick on to one resource, read very less amount, but read continuously the same thing. That will help us to crack, sir.
Means reading and revising is more important. Reading the content and
Yes, sir.
revising the old.
We have to read very precise content and very less content, but we have to read it for many times.
Yes, it is so correct. And what you think that those students who have started the preparation now, what tips you will give for them?
So for me, what worked is if I don't get the time to study or if I'm not in a mood to study, I used to write notes, sir. I used to hear videos or I used to see the modules and write notes. That helped me to revise at the last minute, sir. Because in our handwriting, if it is in our handwriting, it goes very easily to our mind. So I used to write notes if I'm not in a mood to study, sir. So that worked me very well.
How mainly you kept yourself away from the social media distraction? In agriculture, student mainly have hundreds of WhatsApp group, Telegram group. How you have kept yourself away from these distraction?
One thing, I uninstalled my Instagram, sir. That helped me a lot. And another, Telegram, we should not do quizzes in all every Telegram channel, sir. That is a main problem. We should not attempt quizzes in every Telegram channel. The main thing is we have to limit all the resources. We have to stick on to one resource, and that will help, sir.
Okay. Means distraction, for distraction you have to cut off yourself, like you have installed the Instagram and this Telegram quiz also. Okay, I will also say this seriously to the students. Many students used to use check the Telegram quiz and attend the Telegram quiz. This did motivates them. When the answer will be the
Yes.
wrong, yes, they used to think that it is, I am not prepared. What tips you will give to the student those who have started the preparation?
And that is the thing, sir. Limit your resources. Write those, and we have to read them, sir. Write in your handwriting. That will help. That will really help very well, sir. If you have to listen to the video or listen or read the module and write it, then definitely it will go into mind, sir.
Okay, you are suggesting to make your self notes. Okay,
Note, self note.
as you are telling that you have started the preparation from September. Okay, for pre also and for men's also. Do you think that 3 to 4 month time is more than enough?
Yes, sir. It is enough. I think it is enough. But initially, I was not very confident, sir. I was thinking that I cannot clear the exam. But after that notification came, only after notification came, I was very serious that I should attempt this. I should not waste this time. So I started my preparation little bit seriously and made notes, and that helped me very well, sir. Because at that time between prelims, result, and mains is the golden time, sir. So that time we cannot study new things. So we have to go by the notes what we have known. Repeatedly revising that notes helped me a lot. I made notes for little things. I used to write in the page corner also. From that also I got 4 questions. Some nasty things I wrote the corners, and that gave me 4 marks. So that is
Means writing your own notes makes you more confident, correct? Na?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, it is so true. Now come to
That
the
nasty means that nasty handwriting I used to write some notes. So that also helped me gain 4 marks.
okay. Now come to the interview section. How you have prepared for the interview and what you will guide for the new students.
So for interview, we have to study both banking awareness and related to agriculture in our area, union budget, and everything we need to cover, sir. So only in the gap of 10 days,
That is
we
enough
will
for the
have
interview.
that serious. That is enough for that, sir. So mainly focusing on the current events and a basic banking awareness is enough, sir.
Okay, as we have seen you in mock interview,
Yes,
your that time your confidence was bit low. Now it is very much high. The reason behind this is selection.
yes, sir.
Okay. Any future plan are you thinking about other than this?
As for now, no, sir. As for now, we have to join in the bank. Yes.
Okay, be connected with us. We will call you in next interview session also and for men's also. Okay. If student need any
Sure,
guide, we will call you. Okay. I will end
sure,
this
sure.
recording.